kmax and lambda, 1 by lambda. So treating 1 by lambda as x, we can say that slope is equal to hc and c is equal to minus of phi naught. So the graph will be like this, and m will be tan theta is equal to hc, and theta will be tan inverse of hc, which is again a constant. Now there is one question that if we draw graph between two different metals, theta A and theta b, intercepts are these, then we can analyze that both angles will be equal, as they just depends on h and c. Whereas we can say that 1 by lambda naught for b is greater than that of 1 by lambda naught a. That means lambda naught a is greater than lambda naught b. That means threshold frequency is greater than that of for b as compared to a. And when threshold frequency of b is greater than that of a, that means work function for b will also be greater than that of a. And lambda naught obviously follows the inverse order. Let's discuss another question. It is on the three graphs between kmax and 1 by lambda for three graphs. So the first question is the relation between theta a, theta b and theta c. So obviously all the three are equal. Then we have threshold wavelength. So that will be greatest for 1, as 1 by lambda is greatest for the third graph. So lambda follows the inverse order. So lambda naught for 1 will be greatest. So that means 1 by lambda naught is greatest for third graph, and 1 by lambda naught is proportional to frequency, and frequency is proportional to the work function. So we can say that work function for 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. Similar for the frequency, and inverse order for the wavelengths will be there. Now there is which graph has maximum work function, obviously C, maximum threshold frequency, obviously C, and maximum wavelength, it is corresponding to the first option. Now, so these were some of the questions based on the quantum theory of light. With practical applications, we discussed the idea of kmax, why there is a spectrum of kinetic energy. We solved different questions based on the graphs, different probabilities, different permutations and combinations, relations between threshold frequencies, wavelength, work functions, and these are just I tried my best to use maximum permutations and combinations so that you can interrelate the different concepts and can perform better in your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.